Okay, so now we are going to the TEKNIK. How to answering the paper 3. This one important. Remember how to write the operational definition. Okay, operational definition. You remember the 3-step method. This technique I call AOD technique. AOD stands for area of damage. No, you are not playing game. So it's action, observation, and the definition. So kalau dia tak tanya you lah, action tu apa yang kamu buat? So dalam eksperimen ini apa yang kamu buat? Kamu imbas kembali, fikirlah apa yang kamu buat. Kamu ambil magnesium letak dalam asid. So saya letak magnesium ribbon into acid. Apa yang kamu nampak? Saya nampak ada gas bubble. Lepas tu magnesium jadi korok. Okay. Lepas tu saya record the time. So the concept apa? Okay, definition itu apa? Okay, based on the question, dia akan tanya you lah. Okay. So you see, in the SK09, they are asking the operational definition. Actually, they want you to tafsir sesuatu konsep dengan perkara yang dilakukan dan diperhatikan. So all these two things must have action, observation. Okay, so these two things important. You got these two things and plus your definition. You connect it, then perfect. You will get all the marks. Okay, we will see the sample. This is an example of question they show you. The acid P, acid Q, acid R. You can see the color of the pH. We are using the indicator universal. So when the color tends to become red, it means the acid is very acidic. This is higher. This is very acid. So very acid is actually lower pH. Lower pH. So lower pH. The yellowish is in the middle. In the middle. This is the middle one. Okay, middle one. The yellow one is quite high pH, more to alkali already. So weak acid. Actually, the pH they will show you. They will give you. And they will give you in the diagram. They will show you. So now the question is asking, apakah masuk dengan definisi strong acid? Dalam eksperimen ini, strong acid, how you define it? Macam mana kamu menentukan dia secara strong acid? How you define it? Dalam eksperimen ini, I use the universal indicator. So the acid, kalau dia strong, dia akan show the low pH value. Kalau saya masukkan universal indicator. So this is your mark. 3 marks. Okay. But sometimes you will miss out. Maybe you will give only like this, 2 marks. Like this, 2 marks. Or even though only 1 mark. So be careful. For the safety one, you write more is better for this kind of question, better than you've been deduct mark. So I advise you all use the AOD method, means what is done here, what is observed here, and relate the pH value with the acid here. So you can try whether you see you can master this method or not. Okay, anyone try? We have a TDJ. TDJ, our friend, can you try? TDJ. So what you done? So what is put into the acid? What is put inside the acid? So TDJ or CJM, CJM. Okay. Or we have a Kunchen friend. Kunchen friend can represent also. So in this case, this kind of question, how you will answer it? Yue Qing, okay, Dan Han, Zi Hong, Jia Hui, Zheng Fei. Okay, try. You try. Let teacher see whether you can master or not. To use the AOD method, you must have what is done. So what is put inside the acid, and also what you can see, and also what is the definition? Relate it. The AOD method. Try. See? Or top even, you can try. It's okay one. Okay, we just learn together. Wrong is doesn't matter. Don't worry. Okay. So in this experiment, what you put inside the acid? What is put inside the acid? You can see actually this is you are using what to put inside to test the acid. So doesn't say Jonathan can type everyone, send to everyone. Okay, TDJ send to everyone. So the universal is put inside. Yes, very good. You see, universal indicator, because you are using this one to test acid. So the universal indicator. Very good, TDJ, Lavena, well done. Okay, so the what is changed? The pH value, no? So no, not the pH value is changed. The color is changed. Okay, so based on the diagram, you see, the table, they say color change, and the pH value is observed. And then the what of the pH value? Apun say the lower the pH value, you use the word lower, the stronger the acid. Well done, Apun. Very good, Apun. So you see, no problem. So even though your answer is quite long, you need to take time to write, but very safe. Everything inside. Because apa kamu buat, apa yang kamu dapat, semua ada. So you can score one. Sure, you can score one. So you see, all the answers same with my answer. Well done. Thank you, Apun. You can write out the answer first. You can just try only, keep on trying. AOD technique is very useful. Okay. We can try another one. You see this one. Okay, let me ask you first. This kind of question, they are asking you to observe the fire of the group 1 element inside the water. So you have lithium, you have potassium, wow, very big fire, and sodium, moderate. So your action is what? Your observation is what? And now you can see already. What have you done here? What are you observed here? So to make the definition of operational, okay, definition operasi, so you're gonna buat lah AOD first. So for reactivity of group 1, so you're gonna kaitkan. How you determine the reactivity? Dia semakin reaktif, macam mana saya tahu? How you tentukan dia? Macam mana you tentukan dia yang paling reaktif? So you have to base on what you have done, what have you observed, and link the definition with the concept. Okay, this one you try. You can just try. I give you the template. The what is put into the water, the what is observed, and the what the flame, and the what the reactivity of the element with what. See, I relate the concept with the rate of reaction with the brightness. Semakin brightness, semakin terang fire dia punya flame, semakin hebat dia punya reaction, semakin fast the rate of reaction. So you can try. Maybe we can have Terene, even Shiva can try. Okay, Jeremy. Okay. You see, this type of question very useful. This method very useful because you answer systematic, so you won't miss out the mark. Okay. Anyone can give answer? Just try. Don't worry. We do together. Okay. Dr. Ewan, well done. Dr. Ewan can share the message to everyone. Okay, to reveal the technique for paper 3. So we will discuss until 5:45. Later, I'll show you the demonstration of the AMALI from my student. They carry on very good. They do the recording themselves and edit the video very good. Okay, so thank you, Evan. Thank you, Jonathan. Yes, lithium, sodium, potassium. Yes. It's put into. So we can say the group 1 element also can. Yes. Or I can say the element lithium, sodium, and potassium is put into the water. So what I'm observing, the brightness of the frame. Very good, Jonathan. Brightness. And the flame, and the reactivity. And semakin brighter the frame, and semakin reactivity, semakin higher, the higher. With water, yes, you must mention because you react with water. So semakin reactive, semakin terang dia punya fire. The alkaline metal is going to the, Lavena can. Your answer was very good. Okay, Lavena, very good. You can share your answer with everyone. Okay, if I too fast, you tell me. If you tak sempat, you can next screen. Okay. So far, okay. So far, any question? Okay, it's okay, good. It's Jonathan, okay. So remember, step by step. You see, you can solve every question like this, no problem at all. How to write the hypothesis? Hypothesis is the undayan, right? Hypothesis undayan. Undayan. So you see, hypothesis, we have to state the relationship hubungkai manipulated variable dengan responding variable. So the other berkaitan. So we related NV with RV. Okay, this one, you see, small thing will cause the mark gone. Sometimes you cannot realize also. You see, macam sama answer. Jawapan yang tak ada beza mah. Kenapa ini tak ada maka ini tak ada maka? Okay, you see, what is the MV? Normally MV is the manipulasi one, the size, the total surface area. Okay, the what of the acid? Normally is the concentration, right? Kepekatan kan? Okay, all this we manipulasikan. Kita 操纵它，我们 manipulated it. So what is your responding? Normally is the oxidation, right? Normally is the time, is the rate of reaction, right? So the responding variable must take direction correctly. Apa maksud direction? This one important. Direction means what? One way direction, two way. So now I'm talking about direction one way only. What is meaning? You see? You see, NV going to RV. So which one comes first? NV or RV? When you want to talk about the hypothesis, remember, which one comes first? Manipulated variable or responding variable? Which one? Manipulator, very good, well done. Okay, you see, all you know already, well done. Okay, well done. You see, we got so many good students here. Okay, direction important, oh. You cannot put RV first, chat. I will give you the sample in chat. Okay, because in the SK0111, hypothesis define membuat sesuatu pernyataan umum tentang hubungan antara pemboleh ubah manipulasi dulu. Baru manipulasi, baru bergerak balas. That means NV dengan RV. Tak boleh RV dengan MV. Ini kena sangat tepat. Because they will catch your mistake here. Okay, so you mesti confirm MV come first in your answer. Okay, we check the sample. This one is a neutralization. As neutralization process, we measure the temperature. Okay, say this one I check. This one, okay, this one also good question. This one can ask you, what is the temperature here? Even when you measure the thermometer, you measure which one, higher one or lowest one. So how you measure it? So be careful. When read the thermometer reading, you read the top one here, or you read here. Which one? Higher one or lower one? A or B? Highest Manicus level. Yes. Yes, Apun, yes. Even yes, you can share to everyone. Remember lah. Molecule, mercury is very heavy level. Pulled by the gravity lah. So tepi tube, glass tube kan. Thermometer is a glass tube kan. Tepi dia tak boleh pull dia tak boleh tarik dia. So dia akan jadi this one shape, N shape. Okay, dia akan turun. But we have to read the Manicus level. Manicus level is the top level here. Manicus level. So very good, Steven. So you can read the top one. I think is how many? 25, 26, 27. 27, no? Is it 27? But when you write decimal, 27.0, right? Even 27.0, right? So remember, one decimal you must have. Okay, so the first set you are using this one, 50 cm, 2 molar more. You are using hydrochloric acid. But the second one you are using ethanoic acid. So different, no? So the manipulator is type of acid. Okay, now the problem comes. You are the examiner marker, SPM examiner marker. Which candidate you will give full marks? A, B, C, D. Try. Okay. And give the reason why. Why you say like this? Which one do you think? You guess? Can guess? This one, you see, almost same man, the answer. Don't even say B. Even you can give share to everyone. When you type message, you share to everyone. So even say B. How about? Okay. TTJ, Yanfun, Apun say B. Heat of neutralization is more specific. Okay, Apun say Apun prefer heat of neutralization. Very good. I say very good. Heat of neutralization. Okay, the mention about heat of neutralization. So this one shall propose get 3 marks. 分析 even say. Okay, what else? How about Jonathan? How about Jonathan? How about Schweitzer? How about what else? What else? Jolie, your Wan Ling. How about An Yongsen, Akma, Aiza, Jiaming, Christy, CJ Min? Okay, what do you think? Okay. B, wow, almost B. Actually, it can more than one. Actually, the perfect marks got two answers. Two answers. So if you say B, another one more. Another one more, what do you think? Another one more. Try. I know Aisha. Try. You must try. Maybe your prediction is very good. You can predict well. Okay, you see. Okay, we have Tarani. Okay, we check Tarani and TTJ. TTJ and Tarani, only these two persons choose A. Yes, Aisha say B. Aisha later explain. Okay, TTJ and Tarani here. Tarani can respond. Tarani. Okay, Tarani, you can tell us. Tarani, you from where? Okay, Tarani here. Okay, Tarani, you see, you choose A because you think A is perfect. 3 marks here. Tarani, very good, Tarani. Okay. So Tarani say A, TTJ also say A. Okay. I agree with you two, both of you, because A is really a good answer. Thank you, Tarani. TTJ also. You see, reaction of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, reaction of these two. Go back. Tarani, just now we say which one is our MV? Our MV is type of acid. Okay, so kita manipulasi acid. So you see, type of acid, hydrochloric acid here. So we have MV here already. Okay, see, what is our response variable? The heat of the neutralization is our RV. So in this case, very good, because this answer state the direction correctly. NV and responding variable, they are linked together with the correct direction. You see. Fulfill. So no problem, well done. So well done. A is the best 3 mark. See, NV, RV, no problem. They got mention acid react with the sodium hydroxide to produce the highest heat. Okay, so very good answer. TJ. How about number B? You see number B. Number B, be careful. Number B, a lot of students will choose B because B look really, really good. I also hampir tertipu. Just now I saw this question. I also checked. B should be 3 marks. How can? How can we cannot give 3 marks? No, 3 marks. Been deduct 1 mark. Because of what? Heat of neutralization, you see? What is heat of neutralization? Is it RV? When your RV comes first, definitely your direction wrong. You see? This is the trap. This is a deeply trap. Or even And Jonathan, you've been trapped. Be careful. Oh, Lavina, you see, you really, this one also, just now I also didn't realize. I also give 3 marks also. But I check again, I see RV cannot come first. The hit cannot save first. You cannot save hit. What? How can you got hit? You didn't do the reaction. How can you got hit? You must mention when you react it first. When you react what? When you react the hydrochloric acid and the sodium hydroxide, then only you got hit. Then only you got responding variable. So this one important. Okay, Lavina also, Lavina say, oh no. Okay, number C also, you see, incomplete because they never mention about what. They just say so common, terlalu umum. Reaction of this one produce higher. They didn't compare it. Cannot. Because you don't forget, you got one more thing. You got another ethanol acid. You must mention another ethanol acid. Because hypothesis ma. D leh? How can D? How can D also good? D also good. You see? Our friend choose D. Yong Hui Jing. Yong Hui Jing and Lavina very good. Jia Hui is also. Yong Jia Hui, D actually very good. See? G say the reaction of the hydrochloric acid and the sodium hydroxide have higher temperature increase. Actually, this one consider RV. Temperature higher means the heat of neutralization is higher. Same meaning. So you got RV, you got NV. Why you can't get 3 marks? Sure, you can get 3 marks. You see? Be careful. So you see, small thing, but it can be trapped. Very dangerous. Okay, we try one more thing. This one hypothesis. Okay, this one hypothesis, you be careful. They are asking you experiment about heat or combustion. So there are 3 things: methanol, ethanol, propanol. So you try to hypothesis. Which one is higher heat? Methanol or propanol? Okay, in your mind, you have to think first. You think methanol produce more heat or propanol produce more heat? Which one, Jonathan? Which one? Which one is higher? Elena, which one do you think is higher? Okay, we just say propanol is higher heat. Why propanol is higher? Okay, because propanol produce more. Propanol got more carbon, okay, more film, right? More film you produce more, more carbon. Yes. Ravina, very good. More carbon means you have more film. Okay, you see, hypothesis, you must mention about the carbon. Yes. You see, Ravina, very good. Ravina give me the answer, very good. Ravina, you can share to everyone. Okay, Ravina say this one. So you see, my answer here, hypothesis. So which one will deserve to get 3 marks? Which one? Choose. I can tell you only they are answer can be only one. They are one of the best 3 marks only. The other deduct marks. Guess which one do you think? Which one? C. Everyone choose C. Okay. We have Longshini, Jonathan, Apun, Lavena, and Leong Jiahui. All choose C. Wow, okay, confident. C is 3 mark lah, confirm lah. Very good, you all. Okay lah, very good lah. Nothing to say. Excellent. Because you see, not complete. Heat or combustion increase when number of carbon per molecule of alcohol increase. Not specific. You want more specific, you must mention NV first and RV. Now you can get it. This one no. This one RV come first, cannot. RV come first, wrong already lah. This one, the larger the size, We don't use the size because we cannot say size. We must mention number of carbon. Huh? This one is not accurate. The molar mass, molar mass also not suitable. We don't want molar mass. Okay. Affect only 2 terlalu umum. Oh, kamu tak specific. Oh? You have to specific. You know? Can? Okay, well done. Congratulations. Jia Hui, Apun, Jonathan, Wei Zhe. Very good. Okay, we try one more. Okay, so your manipulator variable in this experiment, you are using marble chip. They got large one, they got powder one. So the manipulator one is the size of marble chips. The size of marble chip. Huh? Okay, and the times you can see, the smaller the size, the faster, the shorter the time. So the hypothesis, right? So how are you going to write? Always remember what I tell you. Direction must correct. NV to RV. Try. Try. Zhihui, try. We have Zhiqi. Kai Ting Kong. Okay, Jessica also can try. What do you think? Just now very good. Aisha very good. Aiza Ainun, you boleh cuba. Okay, si Jamin say C. Waiter say C. Lavena say the smaller the size, the higher the rate. Or give me answer C. C. Okay. Actually, this one also track. Because no one is deserved for 3 marks. C also cannot. Because of what? If I want to get 3 marks, C, I have to modify all these 2 marks. Okay, can you help me to modify? Okay, I know C is the best out from these 3, but still missing something. The smaller the size, yes, Lavena, very good. Lavena, you already helped me to modify it. Lavena, well done. Okay, you see? The smaller the size, you must put something on. You cannot just say smaller the size, not specific. The smaller the size of calcium carbonate, must put inside. Okay, so be careful. Okay, must have the, and this one also wrong because reverse RV come first, cannot. Wrong already. This one cannot use faster. Remember, if we want to say the rate of reaction must be higher. Remember, higher. Okay, inference. Tip number 3, how to write inference. Just now we said inference is a smart guess what you observe. Okay, kesimpulan awal. So observation, experiment 1 is 30 seconds. So you write down 30 seconds. Experiment 2, you write down 24 seconds. So what is your inference? Daripada masa itu, kamu boleh buat satu smart guess. So inference means 30 seconds compared to 24 seconds. So the inference is what? The reaction how? Which one? The rate of reaction, which one is higher? So you must do the inference. So inference. Okay. So you must do the smart guess. The rate of reaction is 2 is higher than experiment 1. Very simple. Okay, the last one. Okay, this one to determine the what? Heat of combustion, right? Because this one I using thermometer, I heat it. Saya bakar dengan methanol. So the water will be heated. So the heat of combustion. So my question is, state the what based on the observation. State the, inference, This is inference. Inference. So how? Suhu awal macam ini, suhu lepas become 60. So the inference means how? From the temperature increase, we can say what? Heat is what? Heat is what in the reaction? Yes, Lavena, well done. Heat is released upon, very good. Or you can say heat is released to the surrounding can. Heat is released in the reaction can. No problem, well done. Upon, very good. So countdown, are you ready for your fight? Whether you are the winner or SPM will be the winner. Okay. So you have to do your preparation well lah. So thank you lah. Because nobody can help you. The person can help you is you yourself. Okay, so you must do your great preparation for your SPM. And remember, if you have information, you have notes, you have material, don't be selfish. You can try to share with your friends. You will gain more when you sharing more. Remember? Okay, so actually we are all together to achieve success. We have another 10 minutes, so I will show you a very simple short video so you can know how the actual AMALI test. Okay, I will show you all now. So for those your friends you want to join the group can join. So Mr. I will share the material, okay, the latest material with you all. Okay, especially the revision module. Okay, so you can join inside the WhatsApp group. Okay.